GST and VAT. GST, the Goods and Services Tax, is also known as VAT, Value Added Tax in some countries. A tax is a way for governments to get money for services like police and hospitals. There are different taxes, like a tax on people's income, taxes on company profits, and sales taxes on items. In Australia, sales taxes on items varied. Some items were taxed at 15%, some 22%, some had no tax. And each state set tax rates for each item. It was complicated. Australia's federal government introduced a GST on the 1st of July 2000 to replace all previous taxes on sales. It was proposed that all items be taxed at 10% to keep things simple. Some politicians wouldn't agree to the new laws unless unprepared food wasn't taxed, so people cooking food at home could avoid paying the tax. Potatoes are not taxed, but chips are. Restaurants and takeaways would still be taxed, as cooking is a service. Businesses keep track of how much they sell, and 10% is added to the sale. To avoid a tax on a tax, businesses keep track of the tax they pay when purchasing goods and services, and only pay the government the difference. My understanding is a painter who painted someone's room for $220 would charge the customer $20 GST. They would pay GST on the paint bought from the hardware store. If the GST on the paint was $5, then the painter would only need to pay the government $15 in taxes.